In this month's Stay Crafty kit, you'll receive a bag of birdseed, 1 packet of gelatin, 3 metal canning lids, and a bundle of hemp cord. If you picked up one of our kits from Fremont Library, please be aware of the allergen warning on the bag and on the instruction sheet. This birdseed does contain peanut hearts. It was also processed, packaged, and/or stored in facilities that may also process, package, and/or store peanuts, tree nuts of all types, wheat, eggs, milk products, and soy. This month's project is pretty straightforward, so I did not film a live video of making it, but I do have some photos to share from the blog I Should Be Mopping the Floor. You're going to start by lining a tray with wax paper, and you're going to take your 3 metal canning lids, and you're going to tie a piece of hemp cord through each of the canning lids so you can hang them when the birdseed is set. Now set this aside to move on to the next step. You're going to empty the package of gelatin into a bowl with 2 tablespoons of cold water. Let this sit for 1 minute. Then you're going to add a 1/3 cup of boiling water to the gelatin, stirring for a few minutes or until the gelatin is dissolved. This is going to be the binder that keeps the seed together. Now you're going to add 2 cups of birdseed to the gelatin and mix thoroughly. Once the birdseed and gelatin are mixed thoroughly, you're going to pat the birdseed into the canning lids, pressing firmly. You're going to have a lot more of this birdseed mixture than you can fit into the 3 canning lids. So just to let you know, you can also use cookie cutters sprayed with nonstick spray if you'd like. You would just go ahead and pat them also into the sprayed cookie cutters, and you're going to want to poke a hole into the birdseed after you've pressed it in, and so that later you'll be able to thread the hemp cord through that hole when you remove the birdseed from the cookie cutters. So that's just to let you know what you might want to do with the rest of the birdseed mixture that you have. Now that your canning lids, and cookie cutters if you're using those too, are stuffed with the birdseed, you're going to place the tray that they're on into the refrigerator for a few hours to let the seed mixture set. After a few hours or more, remove the tray from the refrigerator and allow the lids to come to room temperature. When you're ready, hang them from a tree, pole, or hook outside of your windows and watch the birds devour them. I wanted to share this quick video with you. This is my own backyard. This is the canning lid that I made for this project. This was a snowstorm that we had in early March here, and a black-eyed junco found the canning lid on the tree in my backyard and had himself a little snack in the snow. As always, we love to see your finished crafts, so tag us on social. We are at Fremont Library on Facebook or at Fremont Lib on Instagram and TikTok.